Why are Oriental men over 60 saying goodbye to the pharmacy? Nobody talks about this mixture. They keep it as a hidden treasure. What they've been drinking before bed seems simple, but once they've tried it, they can't stop. They don't talk about it openly, but the wives of those who have tested it? Speechless. They say that after this mixture, the only thing that rises faster than the warmth of the ginger is the mood in the bedroom. And from then on, my friend, it's all success, if you know what I mean. You can't buy it in the pharmacy. You don't need a prescription. But it has changed the nights of men who thought it was all just a memory. If you feel that your energy is waning and your close friend isn't quite up to the task, perhaps all you need is the right push, and this mixture done the right way could be the solution. Take a piece of fresh ginger, yes, with the peel. Don't remove the peel, because the power lies in the part that most people throw away. Grate it well. The strong, warm aroma that rises is a sign that it is alive. Ginger is known to improve circulation, warm the body, and, as they say, awaken dormant energy, if you know what I mean. Now pour the grated ginger into a tall glass. Here comes the part that separates the bold from the curious. Break a raw egg into the glass. That's right, raw. Sounds crazy? Yes, but that's where the magic happens. The egg is pure protein, raw energy, unfiltered fuel. It feeds the body and what the body needs to respond. Some men are already calling it a hidden miracle. Worried about the taste? Don't worry. Now comes the finishing touch. Add a little cold Coca-Cola. Not too much, just enough to cover everything. It will bubble, it will foam, and that's when the show begins. Coca-Cola softens the flavor, disguises the smell, and according to some, gives that final push to lift what was underneath. Stir gently. Use whatever you have on hand. Mix until it's frothy, smooth, and feels like it's going to shake more than just your stomach. Drink it 30 minutes before bed, without haste, without stress, preferably when no one is looking. Some men say they can't sleep until they see the results. Their wife notices, their body thanks them. If you want a lighter version, swap the Coca-Cola for sparkling water and lemon, but then the results may take longer. Want to really feel it? Do it the right way. 3 ingredients, an exact sequence, and a result you can't talk about, only feel. See you in the next video with more little-known concoctions, subtle formulas, and secrets that work better than they look. Good night, and keep this safe, because people who find out usually keep it a secret, if you know what I mean.